This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Candace Kelly. Boating community with Gulf access. Best kept secret in Southwest Florida. You'll own your own lot in this 55-plus mobile home park. Coach Light Manor has a concrete boat ramp, boat storage, community pool, shuffleboards, clubhouse, and waterside recreational area. The community is very social, offering day and evening social events at their clubhouse and creekside recreational facilities. This open concept comfortable manufactured home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, over 1,500 square feet and furnishings negotiable. This home is perfect to enjoy the Florida weather with 2 porches, one open and one screened, for outdoor enjoyment and entertaining. Brand new roof and air conditioner in 2018. Don't miss this opportunity to live the Florida lifestyle. Owner is willing to finance. Love where you live SWFL. Call today for your virtual or in-person tour. For more information, review the details below or contact Candace Kelly at 239-848-2004.